Hello students, welcome to the Commerce World. Today we will discuss three kinds of economic activities, that is business, profession and employment, and its difference. On the basis of these different points, we will discuss the difference between business, profession and employment. And the first point is mode of establishment. How the business can be established? It can be established on the decision of entrepreneur. Who is entrepreneur? Who actually runs business? Who actually perform all activities of business? On the decision of entrepreneur and by fulfilling some legal formalities, business can be established. Now if we talk about profession, membership of professional body. A person has to enter into membership of professional body. For becoming doctor, a person has to become member of medical research council. For becoming CA, a person has to become member of, a person has to get membership of Indian Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, ICAI. A person has to become member of ICAI to become CA. A person has to become member of Bar Council of India to become lawyer. Yes, to become lawyer, he has to become member of Bar Council of India. So to enter into profession, a person has to get membership of that professional body. But if we talk about employment, to enter into employment, a person require contract of employment. Contract of employment a person required. So the next point is nature of work. What kind of work these economic activities will include? In business, providing goods and services to public. Goods and services to public is the main nature of work that businessmen have to do. And in profession, rendering personalized and expert services. Whatever the services provided by CA, lawyer, doctor is in profession. Rendering means providing personalized and expert services. And in employment, as per the employment contract, a person has to work accordingly. The next point is qualification. What kind of qualification is required in these three activities? In business, no minimum qualification is required, and in profession, prescribed qualification by professional body. प्रोफेशनल बॉडी ने जो भी क्वालिफिकेशन प्रेस्क्राइब की है, अ पर्सन हैज़ टू गेट दैट क्वालिफिकेशन. फॉर बिकमिंग CA, a person has to be qualified chartered accountant degree from professional body. For becoming doctor, a person has to qualify MBBS, right? And for employment, what kind of qualification? It must be prescribed by employer. The qualification prescribed by employer must be qualified by that employee. And the next point is reward or return. What will be the reward or benefit given to the different persons and different activities? Profit is a reward or return. Profit earned in business will be considered as reward. And in case of profession, professional fee paid by client or patient will be the reward for profession, and salaries or wages in case of employment, right? So the next point is capital investment. Now what is capital investment? Amount invested into that particular activity. Amount invested in that activity will be capital investment. As in case of business, it is huge and highly required as per the nature and scale of business. अगर business स्मॉल स्केल पे है तो उसमें कम इन्वेस्टमेंट रिक्वायर्ड होगी, पर अगर बिजनेस लार्ज स्केल पे है तो उसमें ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट रिक्वायर्ड होगी. बट इन केस ऑफ प्रोफेशन इट इज़ लिमिटेड रिक्वायर्ड. For example, if a CA wants to establish his own office, then limited amount is required to establish. And if a doctor wants to establish his own clinic, then limited amount is required. But in a case of employment, a person has to work under some other person, so no minimum capital, no capital is investment is required. रिस्क की अगर हम बात करें तो बिजनेस में सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्क रहता है. हाई रिस्क इज़ प्रेजेंट एज प्रॉफिट इज़ अनसर्टन एंड इरेगुलर. We don't know how much profit, and it will be regular or not, so it is highly risky. But in case of profession, limited risk as professional fees generally regular and certain. फी सर्टन रहती है, सेम अमाउंट रहती है, श्योर रहती है, राइट. बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, नो रिस्क एज हाई एंड रेगुलर fixed and regular pay is earned. Fixed and regular salary we will get in employment, so there is no risk. And the last point here is transfer of interest. With some legal formalities we can transfer our business to some other person. With some legal formalities it is easily possible, but in case of profession it is not possible, it is never possible. A doctor cannot transfer his degree to another person, right? So it is not possible. And in case of employment, again it is not possible. Thank you and have a nice day.